Today is the 7th day of Navaratri. Kalaratri is the aspect of Devi that we worship on the 7th day, the light of the night. So there is this story that there was a demon by the name Raktabija. And as soon as a drop of his blood fell upon the ground, another Raktabijasur would spring forth from it. As many drops of blood fell from his body, those many demons with his valor, strength and prowess came into being. Soon there were thousands of Raktabijas everywhere. The gods were baffled and turned to Devi in the form of Chandika. Chandika was amused and called upon Devi Kalaratri. And then Chandika urged the Shaktis to attack thousands of Raktabijas, while Kalaratri drank up every drop of blood before it could touch the ground. And then the demon was finally defeated. Raktabija represents deep impressions, seeds of past action or karma. So in our consciousness, which we carry across many lifetimes. See, if you go into that cycle of karma, one will give rise to many, another will give rise to many. So that's the thing, that one drop of blood falls and then it creates more karmas. One karma creates more karmas. Kalaratri drinking each drop of Raktabija's blood signifies total awareness in action. So Gurudev says that when there is uninterrupted awareness in action, in the karma, such action becomes free of any residual impressions. So that's how we can burn our karmas. This is being in the present moment. This is being 100%. The energy that arises with spiritual practices like pranayama and meditation helps us in erasing past impressions. With regular practice, awareness levels increase. The vacillations of the mind into the past and the future reduce. And the mind arrives more and more in the present moment. You can relax and rest only when your mind is in the present. It is the field of action, the field of all possibilities. Deep rest is possible only when the mind is anchored in the now. Kala is time. Time consumes everything in creation and is a witness to everything as well. Ratri means rest, deep rest, absolute rest and solace at the level of the body, mind and soul. Without rest, how can you be bright? Kalaratri represents the state of deepest rest so you can attain dynamism. Kalaratri bestows knowledge and dispassion. Gurudev once asked everyone present during a satsang, when can you see more, during day or at night? So many answered day, of course, and some were quiet, waiting with curiosity. So he said, in the night you see infinity. The Milky Way and other galaxies are visible only at night. Bright light can be harsh, but night can never be harsh. Kalaratri is the grand night, a deep rest for the body and mind. She is the deep, dark energy and dark matter that houses infinite universes. If you are awake in the night, then you can get access to another dimension, that is Kalaratri. Awake at night meaning having awareness, like people who are asleep and still being awake. So have a great day and a restful and blissful day ahead.